Welcome to today's reset video. I wanted to give you a little preview of what my apartment looked like before. It was not that bad. Usually my apartment is not bad because I try to keep up with it like I'm about to show you in this video kind of throughout the week. But to me, seeing my apartment like this, absolutely not. So I'm going to show you what I do to kind of reset whenever my place starts to feel a little bit messy throughout. Usually it's just stuff on the counters. I need to tidy up the counters, dust off certain things, laundry, all that kind of stuff. So let's get into it. I'm actually taking my self-care shower first before doing my deep clean and checking things off my to-do list. I took one of those showers where I washed my hair, I exfoliated, I shaved, everything. Did everything from head to toe. I started with my hair. I have really been into just, basics when it comes to my hair. I went back to the OGs, the drugstore, the Garnier Fructis line. I noticed I was shedding a little bit more hair than usual, so I wanted to just, take it back to the basics, turn it down a notch and see if that would help. And so far it has. So maybe the products I was using just had a little bit too much protein. I don't know. But that is what I'm using in the shower. So I did my shampoo, conditioner. I didn't do a deep treatment this time, but once that was done, I just kind of put my hair up and got to exfoliating. I used my gloves, I used my body wash, and just got straight to it. This is just kind of my step one. I usually do this, and then I have a more pretty and fragrance-filled body wash that I do afterwards, but this is just kind of what I'm starting with to exfoliate. And I always exfoliate my body before shaving. This portion of today's video is sponsored by EOS. I'll be using the EOS Shea Butter 24-hour moisture shave cream to show you how I feel clean and refreshed from my legs, from my lady bits, all the way up to my arms and my underarms. It is summertime and it is smooth hoo-ha season, and EOS has us covered. The EOS Shea Butter 24-hour moisture shave cream is gyno tested and approved to be used on the entire bikini area, not just the bikini line, but all of it, okay? And it provides 24 hours of moisture, and it leaves the skin down there feeling so smooth and so soft. I like to shave pretty much almost from head to toe just for myself. It makes me feel very confident, especially after a long week in general and then a long day of cleaning and resetting. Resetting my body is just as important to me. Now that I'm nice and shaved, now you can do this before or you can do it after, but I'm going in with my cleanser for down there and then doing a little bit of exfoliating after as well. I did a little skincare clip in one of my most recent videos, but I did that off camera, and then I did I plucked my brows, kind of cleaned them up. I did my upper lip, just the self-care, skincare portion to the reset. Two things that I'll do occasionally as well is either a mask or a peel, and then I will whiten my teeth. This day I did not do a mask or a peel, but I did whiten my teeth. I did want to actually do a mask in this video, but I had already put my moisturizer on and I didn't even realize. So I was like, you know what? Scratch that. But the face is moisturized. Now we got to moisturize the body. Lately I've been using this Vaseline body oil. I used to just use the baby oil gel. That's bomb too. But I recently switched over to this one. It's a little bit more runny and easier to apply. So I'm actually really liking that about it. But you can see my skin is just nice and shiny and smooth and healthy looking. This hands down has to be one of the top, 5 best feelings. And I feel like it's one of those small, simple things that's very easy to take for granted. It's absolutely never a cleaning day without throwing on some R&B. So that's exactly what I'm doing. And first things first, I need to empty out the dishwasher. I try to always remember to put all of my dishes in the dishwasher throughout the day because I don't like dirty dishes in my sink. Don't get me wrong, it happens sometimes, but I try to stay in the habit of always putting my dishes in the dishwasher so that my sink is always empty and so my dishwasher is always loaded and ready at the end of the night. Once all the clean dishes are put away, you can see me right here putting away all the dishes that I used this morning for breakfast. Like I said, trying to keep the sink nice and empty, so I put those right in there. And then at the end of the day, I will turn on the dishwasher and wash everything at once. Then I get to clearing all of the countertops, the tabletops, all the little trinkets and random things that I have laying around on the counters. I start clearing that up first. And I start in the kitchen, and then I think I move to like the bathroom, the bedroom. You're going to see me kind of moving around, but I kind of work in that way in which I like to clear up the countertops first and clear up anything off the ground. I put things where they're supposed to go, and that automatically makes it look a lot less cluttered. And if I have any fresh flowers, I also like to switch out the water. These flowers I've had for a week and a half, and they still look nice and fresh and new. And that's because I always like to clean out the water every few days so that my flowers last me. Kitchen countertops are nice and decluttered. I am turning on my kettle because I'm going to use this hot water for when I mop later. But I needed to wash my decor pillows from my bedroom. I had just washed my sheets and the pillows that I used to sleep, but I needed to wash the decor ones. I did have clean clothes sitting on my bed that I needed to put away, and I had just kind of pushed to the side that I don't sleep on because for some reason that makes me feel like it's not there or like I don't have to do it. But it was that time for me to finally do it. So first things first, I'm making my bed. I never, ever, ever go a day without making my bed in the morning. If I don't make my bed, I kid you not, I'm thinking about it all throughout the day. I don't feel like I accomplished the one thing that I feel like I'm supposed to accomplish every day. It's one of those small tasks, but no joke, if I don't do it, it low-key kind of throws me off. So here I am doing that, and everything that I had on the ground, I had new clothes and shopping bags and other things. I just put it on top of the bed. Again, the goal is to take everything off of countertops and off of the ground. Now let's get into my closet, putting away the shoes that I kind of have used throughout the week. And I'm doing this pile of laundry. I had so much laundry to do. So here I'm separating all of my laundry so I can get that done as well throughout the day. The first load is in, and this is the part where my apartment starts to smell a little nice, a little fresh. We've got the laundry going. It really starts smelling like fresh laundry and like cotton in here, which is my favorite, or one of my favorite parts. So then I'm just kind of fluffing up here my ottoman, my little poof, my leg rest, and tidying up my tiny office area, my desk, just kind of where I do my makeup sometimes, where I work from, picking up any clutter from there, putting away my makeup, and just clearing up that entire desk. I think I had like lashes on there, I had a drink there, and just it needed to go. And then here, I was gonna fold up the blanket, and then I picked it up and I was like, no, this thing needs to be washed. I washed everything. And so here I'm just fluffing up the pillows, and then I move over to my TV stand. You can see it was kind of a catch-all. I had a bunch of jeans there because I was gonna film a jean try-on haul and just some other little things I needed to put away. Then we moved to the bathroom. I had stuff here from when I got ready in the morning and just from last night. All the little random things that you pull out to get ready and then you're in a rush to get out and you don't get to put away. Yeah, that's what we're putting away right now. Now that all of the stuff is off the counters and off the floors in each room, now we're getting to the deep clean where we start pulling out all the solutions, all the cloro and all the things. So here I'm pulling out all of the cleaning supply that I use for the most part for every room. We have some disinfecting spray, toilet cleaner, glass cleaner, just the whole nine. So I ended up starting off with the bathroom. I cleaned the toilet, cleaned the tub, cleaned the sink. I also restocked my towels, took out the trash, everything. We did it all. At the end, I am going to mop, but first this is just how I work.
Trust my own volition. And last year I had to max out on commission and ration it to the people that play the position. Your passion is one that never abandon any pushback. We cut ties and loose hands. Yeah, I ain't the one to be tied to loose ends. Funny movements and key ain't close on, and I ain't so wrong to do it. Keenness turn run from home and be right in your face and intruding. Ruin you on two at the same time. You being your own demise. Foolish for that I just count my stats and keep pushing. Cause lingering in the past, slow improvement. Still I look back on the strength that it take when going through it. No winning, not to be pumping the brakes. I'm getting to it, no sitting around with no something to shake. Nah, I promise you I'll be one of the greats to influence the next gen. Hope they don't repeat my mistakes and all win. There's beauty in the mirror, keep loving your own skin. Everything I'm in for the public to keep an eye on. I hope you out there handle the business, cause that's what I'm on. Yeah, cause that's what I'm on. Yeah.
Next up is the kitchen. I disinfected the countertops. I cleaned the sink, the faucet. I was gonna say the sink handle, the faucet, and my little coffee bar area because that always gets messy. Then I did my desk and I moved over to the living room and did my coffee table. Oh, and I did my TV stand as well. And yes, an apartment tour will be on the way. I need to film one like really soon. I'm just about done, but yes, I'm gonna film one. Okay. But anyway, this is the part where I start, doing the smell goods. I had some incense going right before I prepped my mop water. Before I did that though, I switched my mop head. Is that what you would call it? I switched it to a brand spanking new one because it was time for me to switch it out. And then I put in some Pine Sol and some boiling hot water. And that's pretty much all I used this time around to mop my floors. I do, however, vacuum before I mop. Hello, duh. So I go in every room, I vacuum the rugs, the floor, everything. The Dyson that I have, it comes with different heads, so you can use it for rugs or carpet. Then it comes with a different one that you can use on flooring. And then it also has a small one, which I'm going to use in a bit, for the couch and for my bar stools and just those little areas. A quick little laundry switch before jumping into mopping. When I mop, I don't really do this in a specific order, but I do, however, like to leave the bathroom for last. So that is kind of why you see me working this way. I start from the living room. I did my bedroom. I didn't show that part, but I did do the little flooring part that I do have in my bedroom. And then I moved to the kitchen area, and then I did the bathroom at the very, very end. Of course, we cannot forget to clean the drains and the sinks. So here I'm doing a garbage disposal cleaner. And once that part is done, sometimes I'll put those little lemon pods in there, but this time I decided to do some essential oil, and it smelled so good. And then more smell goods in this part. I started to light my candles in my apartment and kind of set the mood, set the tone, because I am starting to wind down from the cleaning. At this point, I was almost done, but I wanted to take a little break. I wanted to get on my phone, just relax for a second. At this point, I had been going at it for a while. Obviously in video form with all the edits, it were only like the 14-15 minute mark. No, this had already been like a while in real time at least. So I wanted to just, take a little break. I also had like a little dance break, which was fun. I decided to go in and actually get rid of some of the marks that I had around the apartment on the walls and stuff. I just used my magic eraser, a little bit of water, and just took off any scuffs from the walls that were just kind of sitting there that I've been lazy to take off. Magic eraser is literally magic. It removes every little scuff like instantly. I'm obsessed with these things. So after that, girl, I went to my windows. The dust, it was terrible. I'm so glad that I cleaned that up because I didn't realize how dusty they were. I did it in my living room and bedroom. Disgusting. But once that was done, I had towels that need to be folded and put away in the bathroom. So that is exactly what I did. I just kind of did a restock on my little towel rack. I showed myself putting this up over on TikTok and on Instagram, but I love this little shelf right here. I'm so glad I found it because it's been perfect for my towels because I really didn't have a whole lot of towel storage in my bathroom. But after that, I'm done. Okay, I'm exhausted. I'm done. I'm just finishing off by washing and rinsing my fresh fruit for the week. And this is how I'm ending off my cleaning day, with some fresh, cold, clean fruit. I've really been on a fruit kick lately. I don't know what it is, but just having fresh fruits. I have strawberries and grapes and watermelon. Mango always in my fridge, and it's my favorite thing. I always grab fruit throughout the day, and it's just so refreshing, especially right now that it's starting to finally get nice and hot. So that is how I ended off my evening, with a fresh bowl of clean fruit after a long day of resetting and cleaning. I hope that you enjoyed this reset. Thank you so much to EOS for sponsoring a portion of today's video. Thank you to all of you for tuning in. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.
So this brother around the way, instantly connected when he caught my eye. Nothing ever was the same. Couldn't seem to get his picture out my mind. Then we took it all the way. I could have sworn he was just my type. Then he said to me, "You're my